I'm going to give you a walking tour here of Pattaya Beach. Starting out here near Soi 5. We've got the McDonald's right here. So if you've never been to Pattaya, or if you have, you know about those collectivos. It's basically the taxi cab. You pay them like 20 baht and they go down. 20 baht's like, 50 cents. I'm actually staying at the Holiday Inn today. This here is Soi 6. This is a famous street because it's considered absolutely insane, crazy. Check out Yorgos Worldwide if you want to see those videos. But yeah, it's too crazy to go down there. Literally too crazy to go down there and film. Some people film it. Plus, respecting the people who are working there. Oh. So this is basically Pattaya Beach. I'll keep showing you around more. Also going to show you around Walking Street. There's a place called Tree Town. Walk around there a little bit. We got the Hard Rock up ahead here. We've got Hilton. I'll pick up soon. All right, we're going straight into Walking Street right now. It is about 7:30, 8 o'clock on a Friday here in November. Oh, what do they got? Oh, it's okay. Wow, it's a lot tamer than it usually is, but then again, it's really early. Bangalore Road's a little bit crazier than this one. So, Frogland. New Star Bar. Well, I'll try to pick up a little later and see what's going on. You get the idea. I mean, I can keep walking, but this isn't a walking street video. So you get the idea. I'll try to pick up later when it's a little bit more happening. Well, just chilling on the beach. Yorgos Worldwide right here. What do you have to say about this place?
Lovely beach. Jeff's just about to get a massage. He's coming now.
This here is Soho Town, which is a food street market. Oh wow, what do we got here? How many of those? How much is one of those? I do three pieces, three ribs. Three. No, three. 1, 2, 3. This one.
What is this one? This is crocodile?
No, this is pork.
Pork. Oh, pork.
3. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Cup kun cup. Yeah.
200 per day. 2 per day.
How much money?
200 per day.
Okay. You have sweet chili? Sweet chili?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. Money.
Sauce.
Stop. Which one?
Oh, okay. Spicy. Okay, okay, cup. What else do I want? How many pieces is it giving me? 4?
For the beef.
4 pieces, okay. 5 pieces, okay. That's fine. What do we got here? Sawadee cup. Okay. What do I want? What do I want? I don't know. They're not open. Open?
Porridge.
Pork?
Porridge.
Okay.
It can be or lamb.
Lamb? I do 1 beef, 1 lamb. And 1 bacon. What is this one, cup? Corn? 1 corn. And 1 mushroom. Thank you, cup. A little bit spicy. Thank you. Sit here. Thank you, cup. Check back on our friend here. And for drinks, I guess I will go with lemon soda, passion fruit, tea. What do we got here? Oh, that could be fun. Some Chinese. Delicious food. Sawadee cup. Do you have soda water?
Yes.
Okay, 1 soda water. All right, so I definitely got some ribs here, the spicy sauce, and they give you these little napkin or plastic wraps for your hands. All right, now we got the corn, mushrooms, the beef. Yeah, let's give it a try.